Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet snowflake ornament for Christmas tree decoration. For this, I am using 4mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, take a yarn and make a magic circle. To start our first row, make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochets in the magic circle. Then make a chain of 3. Make 3 double crochets in the magic circle. Chain 3. Like this, make 3 more times. Make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Then make a slip stitch in the chain 3. Make a slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Make a chain of 3, slip stitch in the same space, chain 5, slip stitch in the same space, chain 7, slip stitch in the same space, chain 5, slip stitch in the same space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, make a slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 5, slip stitch in the same space, chain 7, slip stitch in the same space, chain 5, slip stitch in the same space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, slip stitch in the next stitch, then make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.